The evolution of 360 cameras has seen higher resolution, better stitching, and improved stabilization. The Insta360 X series, especially the X5, raises questions about future advancements since it already offers 8K capture, which meets the needs of most creators. This shift prompts the question, what comes next when resolution is no longer the primary limitation? Competitor pressure becomes relevant in this context. DJI's push into imaging hardware has already forced the industry to rethink compact camera design. Even without fully confirmed specs for rival 360 systems, the direction is obvious: bigger sensors, stronger low-light performance, and heavier reliance on computational imaging rather than raw resolution jumps. And that shift is exactly what the X6 rumors orbit around. The online discussion is shifting towards practical improvements, like higher frame rates at 8K, better heat control, and enhanced dynamic range. While not flashy, these features are crucial for creators in action sports or travel content, where smooth motion is more important than resolution. Then there's the second tension point: AI. Across Reddit discussions and creator forums, the frustration is consistent. 360 cameras are powerful, but editing still feels like the bottleneck. Reframing, trimming, selecting angles, it eats time. That's why speculation around the X6 isn't really about hardware anymore. It's about whether Insta360 starts shifting toward real automated storytelling. Imagine a camera that doesn't just record everything, but actively selects what matters. Not perfectly, not magically, but enough to cut editing time in half. That's the real expectation building underneath all the rumor noise. Still, there's skepticism, and it's valid. Every generation promises smarter AI, but most implementations so far are assistive, not autonomous. The gap between marketing and workflow reality is still wide. Thank you for watching. And that's where the biggest uncertainty sits. If hardware improvements are slowing and AI isn't fully ready to replace editing, what exactly defines the Insta360 X6? That question alone is what makes this generation feel different. What would make you upgrade? Let us know in the comments.